Good morning. Myself Dr.Radhika, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Last class we discussed about water harvesting, definition of water harvesting, type of water harvesting, then components of water harvesting. Then today's class we discuss about benefits of water harvesting. What are the benefits we have to follow in the water harvesting? First one is water security, drought resilience, soil moisture management, then erosion control, energy and cost savings. First one, water scarcity security. Water harvesters provide decentralized and reliable water supply source. So, especially in region with unreliable or limited access to conventional water service. When the area is conventional water resources means the water security is very important component of water harvesting. So, useful in the conventional water sources, access to conventional water resources in the especially in the unreliable or limited access to conventional water resources areas. Then the second one, drought resilience. Stored rainwater can be supplement conventional water source during droughts or dry periods, reducing dependence on groundwater or surface water supply. Suppose we collect the water from the tanks or ponds, some of the storage areas. Suppose in our area drought suppose occur means we need not to depend on groundwater or surface water. We can use this stored rainwater sufficiently for purpose of sufficiently for cultivation of crops. Then third one, soil moisture management. In agriculture settings, rainwater harvesting helps repellents in soil moisture, improve crop yield and reduce irrigation demand. Mainly, the water harvest mainly provide moisture, soil moisture is maintained throughout the crop growth, reducing irrigation demand. So, fourth one, erosion control. Harvesting rainwater helps to reduce mainly soil erosion. Soil erosion and removal of soil particle. Detachment of soil particle is called as soil erosion, and sedimentation in rivers, streams and water body, preserving water quality and ecosystem health. Then another one is energy and cost savings, mainly by capturing and utilizing rainwater on site. Water harvesting system can reduce energy consumption and lower water bills and mitigate the need for costly water infrastructure project. Mainly, we have to store the water. Water harvesting technique we have to follow means the water bills are very lower then mitigating need for costly water infrastructure project. So rainwater harvesting is very useful for agriculture purposes. Then farm ponds and percolation. Another one is farm ponds and percolations are two types of water management structures commonly used in agriculture and water. So there are two structures are used in our agriculture system: farm ponds and percolation pump. What do you mean by farm pond purpose? Farm ponds are small reservoirs or storage basins constructed on agricultural land to capture and store rainwater runoff for various agriculture purposes. Mainly, farm ponds are constructed in nearer the farmland to store and capture the rainwater runoff for various runoff and used for various agriculture purposes and construction. The bins are typically built up by excavating depression in the ground and lining them with the impermeable material such as clay, geomembranes, or concrete to prevent water seepage into the soil. A cemented material to construct this material under the management. The farm ponds is very important for storing the rainwater for future purposes. Then another one, functions of farm ponds: water storage, groundwater recharge, livestock watering and erosion control. Functions: water storage. Farm ponds capture and storage rainwater from surrounding areas, provide reliable water source for irrigation during dry periods or seasonal water shortages. Then groundwater recharge. Excess water you stored in farm ponds can percolate into the soil and recharge groundwater aquifers, helping replenish in local groundwater sources. Suppose groundwater or rainwater filled in the farm ponds means automatically spill into the agriculture field, automatically recharge the groundwaters. So then third one is livestock watering. Farm ponds provide convenient water source for livestock grazing agriculture. Mainly livestock, poultry ponds very important in agriculture area. So farm ponds are very useful for the poultries, livestock watering, reducing the need for transport water to rely on distant water sources. So need not to transport water from from one place to another place. So farm ponds are very useful for the livestock. So then fourth one is erosion control. Erosion nothing but soil removal from the dischargement of soil particle from the soil. By capturing slow down runoff, farmer help to reduce soil erosion. Slow down the runoff water because of collecting the runoff water, so that help to reduce soil erosion, falling sediments to settle out before water is discharged downstreams. Then another one, percolation bonds. A percolation bonds nothing but a percolating bond, also known as recharge basin and infiltration basin, or shallow depression or executed area designed to capture storm water runoff or allow it to infiltrate in soil to reach a groundwater aquifers. Construct the ponds are typically designed and to capture and temporarily store storm water runoff, allowing it to percolate into soil gradually. Then function. The groundwater recharge, flood control, water quality improvement, habitat creation, groundwater recharge. Suppose the percolation water to facilitate infiltrate storm water to replacing groundwater uplift and helping maintain the aquifer levels. Flood control by capturing and temporarily storing stormwater streams, mitigate risk of storm flooding during the heavy rainfall events. Water quality improvement, some stormwater infiltrate through the soil in percolating one natural filtration process remove pollutants, contaminants, and improving water quality before it reaches groundwater, aquifers, or surface water bodies. Then finally, habitat creations. Percolation ponds can provide habitat for wildlife and aquatic species, exchanging biodiversity and ecosystem service in urban or in rural landscape. These are the water harvesting technique. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.